Are you looking to become a life coach so that you can go out there and build a business around being a life coach, helping people and making money, but you really don't know where to get started? Don't worry, I'm going to be going over exactly how you can become a life coach in this video in under 10 minutes. Let's rock and roll.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the marketing shaman, and I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're specifically going to be going how you can become a life coach, right, in under 10 minutes without having to have a certification. We're going to go over why you don't need a certification. We're going to go over exactly who it is that you're going to help, how you can help them, and ultimately how you can make money. Let's rock and roll. All right, so first and foremost, do you need a certification to become a successful life coach and make six figures in the process? Absolutely not, right? I look at certifications, especially life coach certifications, as kind of like getting a degree from college or ultimately like getting a diploma from high school. They're, obviously getting them and you can get them and it's cool to have them. You can hang them on their wall, but it's like a piece of paper saying that you're accredited or saying you're this or you're that, right? To become a coach, when ultimately, right, being a coach is doing nothing more than helping the person that you're helping get to a goal, right, or a target that they have, they want to get to, that you can help them get to through the earning or learning that you do to help them get there. Do you have to have a piece of paper that says you can help somebody get there? No, you can have experience that can help them get there, right, without a piece of paper, especially with life coaches that come out of certification school, right, don't have any experience, haven't really helped anybody with, right, what it is, their niche or what their problem is that they're helping people, and you come in and you don't have a certification, but you got a lot of experience helping people, right, without a certification. Who do you think they're going to choose? They're going to choose that person, right, that has actually helped people and proven that they've helped people with that specific problem. So you don't need a certification, and don't be freaking out if you don't have one. Ultimately, we need to identify, right, a problem that a specific who has, and we're going to be talking about that real soon. Before I go into the identification piece of this video and go over specifically about how you can find exactly how it is that you can help, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can make their first or next six figures with profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so now that we got the certification piece out of the way, now let's take a look at the first piece that we need to go out there to become a life coach. We need to identify who it is that we are looking to go out there and help, and specifically identify the problem that they have and create a solution right on the other side of that problem that we can help them with. So what we want to do is we need to identify the desires that are who the people we're looking to go out there and help have. There's two desires that we need to make sure that we identify, and the first desire is going to be their surface desire. What is that on the surface, right in front of them, that they know they need so that they can get to the next desire that they truly want? So usually those surface desires, like with me, I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. That 100K that I'm helping life coaches and healers make, that's a surface desire, right? That 100K is helping life coaches and healers get somewhere else, and where they're getting, right, whether it be more time with their family, more travel, right, maybe quitting the job that they have so they can go full-time with their life coach, life coaching practice, whatever it might be, right, that is the core desire. So the surface desire is going to help them get to the core desire. But to help us really with both of these desires, we want to make sure that we answer a specific question that our clients are thinking. And that question is this: if I could just blank. Fill in that blank there, and that's really going to help us get closer to the surface desires that they want. And then once we identify those surface desires, really go and put a screw down into those core desires so that we're able to communicate exactly what it is that our prospects want and be able to go out there and help them. All right, so now that we know who it is that we are looking to help, we then need to go out there and create, right, a solution that's going to be able to help them. And we call a solution, right, creating an irresistible offer that your prospects, the people we just talked about you helping, are going to feel absolutely stupid as saying no to. And the way that we do that, right, is we talked about this earlier, identify a solution, right, that can help them. So we identified a problem. Now we're going to make a solution that can fix that problem, right? But we don't just want to have a singular or vertical solution. We want to make sure that we create an offer, an irresistible offer that's going to be able to knock them down when they want to say yes or no, right, to getting help with that solution. So we want to make sure that we identify, right, the vehicle. How are we going to deliver, right, the solution that we just talked about? Then we want to make sure that we answer the internal and the external objections that people are going to have around that solution. So, answering the internal objections is going to be like answering questions of, can I do this? And really we get those answered by showing case studies and testimonials and things like that. The second second objection we want to make sure that we obliterate is going to be external objections, answering the question of, do I have the resources to get this done? When we can answer that question and make sure to provide in our offers right resources is going to help them get it done and get it done fast so that they don't have to worry about having the extra resources, tangible resources that they think they need to be able to get, to the solution, to the goal, to the problem, to the target that they have that you're going to be helping them with as a guide, right? And then the last piece, now they have everything, right? They got their internal and their external objections answered. Now we want to give them a reason to take action now. And by give them a reason to take action now, this is going to entice them, right? To help them move forward and taking action on the offer that you've given them, right? A lot of people are just hate making decisions. So we want to make sure, right, that we give them a reason to take action now. And usually we do this with bonuses and open and close carts, with our offers. But we want to make sure we give them a reason to act now, something that is going to go away if they do not take action now on the offer. All right, so now that we have our offer, let's talk about exactly how we're going to get this offer in front of people and the who that we talk about we want to help. And we do this through what we classify as profitable presentations. And what a profitable presentation is going out there, right, in something like a masterclass or a workshop or an online summit or maybe a challenge, and going out there and presenting, right, exactly how you can help somebody or help somebody, right, through actually helping somebody at this profitable presentation and, at this event that you're going to put, right, online, an online event, or it can even be an offline, a live event. We do those as well with profitable presentations. But what we want to do is we want to, at these profitable presentations, go out there and help people by actually helping them. And then at the end of those presentations, present them these offers that we have to continue, right, to help them so that they can take action on getting more of our help so that they can get to the goal and the target that they have. Are you a life coach or healer who's looking to make your first or next 6 figures as a life coach or healer? Well, then I got a free gift for you called my 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, and you can grab that 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now in the description. Just click down here in the description and you can grab this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, which is going to be a 22-page guide showing you how you can go out there and become a life coach and make 6 figures as a life coach following our very simple 3-step system. Make sure to click that link down there in the description and grab your free copy of that 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking down there below and grabbing your free copy of this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. We'll see you in the next video.